embarrassing.
Hello everybody, this is Matthew Burgraff, and welcome to today's vlog. I am just about to head outside to meet up with a friend because today we are going to check out a trail that I've always wanted to, try out. I want to do a nature walk, basically. I've been one way, all the way down, practically. Not quite as far because the way I've gone goes actually all the way towards a lake, but I haven't gone towards the lake, but I have gone for a 3-hour walk on that trail. But if we go that direction, there's another trail, or the same trail, but it continues, and I've never seen it, and it looks really pretty on that side. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up with this friend and enjoy a nice, beautiful nature walk. So it's really windy outside, and I'm just waiting for my friend. You've seen her before. It's Deanna.
Hi.
Hello.
Got my pre-workout. Ready.
Pre-workout.
I don't know. It keeps me from falling asleep sometimes. I mean, I use it when I work out too, but.
So this is a trail that I have. We've been on this trail before, but I've discovered that it goes a lot further than we thought.
This one?
It's very specific.
Oh, okay. I actually might
very
have known that.
Specific one.
I might have known that. I just never really thought about it. I don't know. Because I know that one of my friends and his girlfriend used to take pictures of it all the time, and I was like, how do you guys find these locations all the time?
Look at that.
Catherine. The only reason why you know her name is Catherine.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, that's pretty.
That is pretty.
Wow.
I like it.
This isn't directly part of the trail, but that's really beautiful.
Wouldn't it be great for pictures like a wedding or something?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's do that.
I did a photo shoot.
Oh, is this the bridge you did it
This
on?
is one of the bridges that we did it on.
That's so cool.
Just one of them. But
I need to get a photo shoot done.
we can do one right now.
We should do one. Wait, not in this outfit. Maybe. I don't look bad, I guess. We should do like
Hey,
5.
something very goofy, fun, whatever
That is a good idea. Let's do that.
would be.
What are you guys doing?
Oh,
Dude, I found an ant in my room the other day. I was
That
like,
is
what? I don't even bring food in my room. How could they be
gross.
in there? I kind of don't want to kill them. Let's go around them.
wow.
This makes me want to go camping.
Oh yeah, Sasha just got back from camping.
She's lucky. I haven't been camping
In a while.
I don't remember.
I haven't been camping for a while either. I really need a G7X Pro camera
Oh, that would be awesome.
because then I can see if I'm actually in the shot, because I keep forgetting that I need to have the knob turned a certain way so that I know it's pointed at me. But I keep forgetting to do that.
Are those apartments? Oh, those are cool apartments.
Oh no, that's a hotel over there.
I thought it was a cool apartment, but oh well. Wait, how did we get over here?
We crossed underneath the water, or underneath the road, the bridge. That's right, that one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did it just make a circle?
No, we came straight through. See?
Yeah, I can.
Right there, and then we looped around on that bridge.
Yeah, but does it just go back now? Is that what it's doing?
No, that's as far as we have all known about, but
Oh.
there's another trail up ahead that continues the trail.
Okay, yeah, I didn't know that. That's interesting.
Yeah, I discovered this last week, I believe. No, 2 weeks ago. I went up to the temple up there and I discovered the trailhead continued right there.
It's a country club.
A country
One
club.
of my
Look at
goals
this.
in life is to be in a country club.
Well, we should make that happen. Look at this place. This looks nice. It's almost like a... I don't know if you can see it through the fence, but...
It kind of looks like a Catholic church, honestly.
Huh.
Like church that kind of...
It looks kind of like a... To me, almost like a Thanksgiving Point Gardens kind of a feel. Kind of, or like, you know... Oh wait, is there a pool over there?
No, it's a pool house. See? There's a pool. Oh, well,
Yeah, there is a pool?
Oh, I thought you said there's a home over there. Yeah, there's
A pool, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's a country club.
Wait, so what is a country club?
So a country club is kind of like a group of people. They have like a place they hang out. They pay for their membership. It's usually a rich person thing. I don't know how to explain it. That's where, you know, like people do junior league and golf. It's like a rich club, like society thing, like rich club. That's essentially what it is. It's like a club for rich people.
Unless you already know the answer to this, what is a manor?
It's like a very, very fancy like house. Usually it's like really big, kind of like a mansion, but not quite.
So like what makes a building a manor? So like I can't just like go like build a house, a small house, and say this is my manor.
There's certain characteristics in the house, but I'd have to look it up again.
Oh, okay.
So like a mansion's bigger than a manor. A manor's like a smaller mansion, in my opinion.
Oh, look at these. This is beautiful. Wow.
There's a house here in Provo that's like perfect for me. The problem is, it's $3 million.
$3 million. It's perfect. It just costs a lot.
Well, it's got 10 bedrooms, a hot tub, a swimming pool, 4 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, a mother-in-law apartment, an indoor and an outdoor theater.
Indoor-outdoor theater, both of them.
Tennis
Very
court.
important. Tennis court.
A gym, a home gym, a gazebo, greenhouse,
Okay.
and the gazebo closes so you can sleep in the gazebo.
Interesting.
The playground for kids, the trampoline in the ground and everything, you know. Fire pit, one of those fancy ones with the stone stairs and everything going down to it. We should go on a tour of it sometime.
That would be really fun.
I probably could afford it one day.
One day.
Now that I'm in the military.
Because if you do a manor, like a big mansion, you'll have very big spaces where if you wanted to have anything, like massive amounts of anything interesting in it, they're all spread out spaced. But in a manor, everything, all the interesting things, like there's one interesting thing after another, it all makes sense, it's laid out beautifully, everything looks nice, but there's always there's always like in every direction you look, there's at least one thing interesting in each room. So we've been walking on this trail for a long time. I haven't seen a sign that says trailhead this way. Should we keep walking?
Yeah.
Okay.
What time is it?
7:30.
Yeah, it's so early.
Yeah.
Look at that house.
I know. I was just looking at it. The brook tree. This is like a neighborhood I'd probably live in as well. And a house like that, that's probably what I would live in. So we've been walking on this trail for a while now, and we decided further back behind me is where we stopped, but we kind of don't think the trail actually goes on after that point, because there's like a stoplight and it just kind of ends. Like this road is the sidewalk is not a traditional sidewalk, so we kind of figured, because it just cut off right there, up there, right? Like
yeah.
it turned into a regular sidewalk at that point.
No, it kind of kept going, but I figured it was not for a couple of blocks.
But anyway, it seemed like a great stopping point, so we kind of just... It's a dragonfly.
I thought it was jumping at me, and then I realized it's dead. That was embarrassing.
Alright everyone, perfect. We got back, it's actually been a while, since we actually got back, but, anyway, the point is, we're back, I'm back. I hope, this video has been entertaining enough. Great conversations, goofy instances that have happened. I want to ask you guys a question. So, I see a lot of YouTubers who do vlogging. They do HelloFresh. And no, this is not sponsored by HelloFresh. I don't even know how that works. I'm still relatively new to YouTubing, and I don't know how this all works. But I really think it'd be beneficial for me because of my living circumstances and my employment situation. That if I could do HelloFresh, something like that, if I could utilize that company or whatever, I can save a lot of money, and I can ultimately do a lot better in life if I were to do that and use their services. But Deanna had said that there's another company that basically does the same thing. I'm not really sure. I don't know what it's called. She doesn't remember what it's called. But if you guys can tell me what it's called, if you guys know what I'm trying to, what we're talking about, please let me know down in the comments below what you think we're talking about. The other service that's similar to HelloFresh, because I would really like to utilize it. She said that the other company that's like HelloFresh is a lot cheaper than HelloFresh, but I might have to do my own research. I don't know. If you guys know what I'm talking about, please let me know down. Please let me know down in the comments below. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you loved it, please subscribe, and then ring that bell for and turn on your notifications for being the first to be updated or notified when I upload the next video. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see. Oh, I keep forgetting my little outro thing. It changes every year, but climb your mountains, achieve the dream. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.